Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin Font. I'm your friend Omar bin Hussain and we're going to learn the new words of HSK 2. Just like our previous lessons, this lesson will have two sections. In section 1, we will decompose Chinese characters and we will learn the new words. While in section 2, we will practice reading and listening Chinese language. So let's start with our section 1.
生病生病生病
To fall ill.
生病
Let's decompose it. On left side, it is sheng, which means to be born, alive. On right side, it is bing, which means illness. So to be born with illness, or in any case, if illness entered in anyone's life, then he is going to fall ill. Let's make this character very simple. At the top, this character is this one, right? And the remaining part is this. So this one is neo, which means cow or ox, while this one is very simple, e, which means one. Now let's decompose this bing. Outer left, this one, and then inner one, this inner top, inner bottom. This one is radical for water, right? And this one is guang, which means wide or extensive. This one is e, which means one, while this one is ne, which means inside. So it is also decomposed. But actually the outer one means the combination of this one and this one is chuang, which is radical for illness. So whenever it is present in any character, it is somehow related to illness. Let's decompose another one.
早上早上早上
Which means early morning. It is very simple character, so let's decompose it quickly. On left side, it is zao, which means early morning, and it is sheng, which means top or superior. This zao can further be decomposed. At the top, it is this character, while at the bottom, it is this character. This character is actually very simple, r, which means dear son, and this character is shi, which means 10. Okay, you got it. This one is very simple character, and I don't think that we should decompose it further. So
早上
means early morning.
美美美
Which means each or every. This character is very simple character, and we can decompose it like this, that at the top of it is this character, and at the bottom it is this character. So this character is just a combination of two basic strokes, pie and hung, and this character cannot be decomposed further. Rather, it is combination of basic strokes, and it means mu, which means mother. So
美
means each or every.
跑步跑步跑步
Which means to run or to jog.
跑步
Let's decompose it. At left side, it is pao, which means to run, while at right side, it is pu, which means a step or pace. So running with a step or running with a pace is actually to run or to jog, right? This character can further be decomposed. The character on left side, the character on top right, the character on bottom right. Okay, these are three simple characters which are combined to give us pao, which means to run. So this character on left side is radical related to feet, while this one at the top right is bao, which means to wrap, while this one is very simple character. Si, which means hours from 9 to 11 a.m. Okay, now let's decompose this step or pace. At the top, it is this character, and at the bottom, it is this. Very simple. This character is actually ch, which means step with left foot, while this character is very simple, just a combination of three basic strokes. Alright, so
跑步
means to run or to jog.
起床起床起床
Which means to get out of bed or to get up. Let's decompose this qi chuang. On left side, qi, which means to rise or to get up or to set out, while this is chuang, which means bed or couch. This qi is a combination of three basic strokes: at the top, the bottom, and top right. This one bottom, then top left, then top right. This one is tu, which means soil or earth, while this one is again se, which means hours from 9 to 11 am. So all of these three are going to make up this chi. So if you want to write, then I think it has made it very simple for you. Let's decompose this one. Outer character, the inner character. The outer character is guang, which is wide or extensive, while the inner character is mu, which means tree or wood. So to rise from bed or to get up from bed is
起床药药药
which means medicine. It is very simple character and we can decompose it quite easily. At the top it is this character, while at the bottom it is this character. This character is very simple and actually it is radical for grass, while the bottom character is yue, which means treaty or agreement, and this one can also be decomposed. On left side it is this character and at right side it is this character. This character is actually s, which means radical for silk, and the right character is shao, which means spoon. So this yao means medicine.
身体身体身体
which means the body or one's health. On left side it is shen, which means body, alive, while this one on right side is thi, which means body or group. This character cannot be decomposed further, rather it is composed of basic strokes. So we are not going to decompose it, rather we are going to decompose this character because it is combination of different other characters. On left side it is this character and on right side it is this character. This character is radical for people, and this character is ban, which means root or origin. So you can get the idea of this thi, which means body, that it is the root or origin for humankind or for people. So this
身体
means the body or one's health.
出院出院出院
which means to leave hospital. On left side it is very simple character chu, which means to go out, while this one is yuan, which means courtyard. So to go out of courtyard or to go out of hospital means you are leaving hospital or you have been discharged from hospital. So this character can further be decomposed. At the top, which means sprout, while at the bottom is this character. Yuan can further be decomposed. Left side, top right, bottom right. This one is E, which means radical for place, and this is Mian, which means roof, while this one is Yuan, which is actually the currency of China. Yuan. So that's all about our section 1. But please wait, we have to review all of those characters that we have studied today. Please try not to read these pinyin, not its meaning. Just focus on these characters. Life, illness, so to fall ill. Morning, top morning means early morning, okay. 早上 Mei, mu, mother, basic strokes. Mei, each or every. Radical for feet, pao. So pao, and this one is left foot, small, so pao bu, to run. This one is shan, the combination of basic strokes. People, origin, so root of origin is body, so shanti, body or health. To go out, radical for place, the name of Chinese currency, yuan, so chu yuan, to leave hospital. Grass, yue, treaty or agreement. So yeah, the treaty coming from this grass is actually medicine, which is known as ya. To rise from bed. Okay, that's all about our section 1.